Let me show you how not to show up to an appointment. Okay? With crusty gel down edges. That's What is this?
Let me comb it out. This is how you actually come to an appointment. You gotta keep it real. You gotta keep it real.
Let me show you how not to come to your appointment. Let me show you. Let me show you how to rip some edges out.
No, for real.
Comb that out.
You see? Look, go straight.
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Truth gonna set you free, but first it's gonna piss you off. Dun 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 dun. Ow! Hey, is that? It is you. What's up, G? I see you. And I know you see me. It's your boy OK Oso, and we're here with a feed and braid tutorial, and we're gonna get things popping. All right, so we got the line going straight down the back. I'm about to put these in 2-section knots. What's that smell? I don't know. Look at that. We already got it. We got the side bop with the side ponytail popping off. Crazy. We about to do this thing in some sections. You already see what it is. It's basic geometry. If you're in middle school and you took that class, you already know what we're doing. It's nothing. It's really nothing. I'm trying to tell you. Right now, I'm applying that Pro Slick Gel. Clearly, it's keeping them edges down because it's edges throughout. And I'm applying the crease with the comb. See? Slick gel, crease, comb. That simple. It's like giving it a little comb over. That's what it looked like, a little comb over. And some slick gel, some pro style slick gel. Alright, as you can see, we sectioning the sections. And I'm putting them into little TPs. Look at that. Oh, there ain't no TP. That's a braid. Oh, that's a stitch braid. I actually know what that is. Alright, you see us now. We in here. We in the kitchen stitching it up. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're going to head to the back of the head, and we're going to put some creases back here too, because we want it to be flat all the way around. Alright, so you see what we doing? We clearly putting these braids in some crazy hold up. Look at y'all, make sure y'all get this stuff because this is clearly the most important. We're gonna take half the container of the Pro Jam and we're gonna throw it all up in the hair. Make sure you get it all up in there. Take this comb, slide it through. Slide it, get it all through there because we want these things to be the slickest that you've ever seen. This about to be laid. Look at it. It look like she running fast. Look at that. Zoom. Hey, check this out. This style about to be totally brand new. Shazam about to pop up at your door like the postman. Look at this. That's what we going for. We coming for that pop up at your door when you least expect it look. Alright, so now you see I'm grabbing the strands of excess hair that I have in the back. It's behind me on the tray. And I say tray like that because I want to be very, very professional with this style because now it's starting to develop. It's starting to look like, I don't even know what to tell you. It looked like a really flat helmet. And this helmet looked like it's built for speed because these braids are going back like some aerodynamic type, you know what I'm saying? She must run track. She has to run track. Alright, we stitching it back and I'm stitching this thing down tight. I know you know it's tight because you can see the vein popping out the side of her neck right now. Look at that thing. Bow. Man, is she even breathing? We're gonna go straight back. Yeah, sit up, sweetie. Alright, like I said, we about to take this thing and make sure it's really laid and sprayed, baby. We gonna take this thing all the way back. And you can tell I'm really putting that tension on there because you can see the back of her neck pulling with this braid. I'm not messing around at all. I'm not playing no games. Look at that neck. Look at that thing stretch. Oh yeah, we coming along, baby. Look at them fingertips. They moving. Bow, 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 bow. Them hoes catching bodies back there. What's going on? All right, so now we finna take some of this Pro Jam and we gonna tuck it into the creases in order to get that airtight seal. As you can see, I'm taking the end of my comb and I'm tucking everything in for that airtight seal. All right, and now we're at the finish. As you can see, what we normally do at the end of these tutorials is we go in the kitchen and we grab some whipped cream and we spread it all down the back. I still don't know to this day why we grab the whipped cream, but I guess it's for fresh. It's to keep it fresh, add some flavor to the new style. Wow, look like I was right. Look at all that flavor popping out. And she's got the gems in there and the jewels. Ooh, wow, no gems or jewels. Good job. All right, so now we back with the finished product, baby. I hope you like it. This that track triathlon hairstyle. If you want to run fast and you want to win first place, this is it right here. I'm out.